Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a company on QuickBooks. Sometimes you need to remove an old or unused company file from your system. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow the correct steps to ensure all associated data is properly handled. We'll walk through the easy method for QuickBooks desktop users, helping you clear out unnecessary files efficiently and safely. Before you delete any company file, it's crucial to prepare thoroughly. First, create a complete backup of your company file. This ensures you have a secure copy of your financial data if you ever need to access it again in the future. Also, export any essential reports or lists you wish to keep. Finally, make sure QuickBooks Desktop is completely closed before moving to the next step of file removal. The easiest way to delete a QuickBooks Desktop company is by directly removing its file from your computer. First, locate the QBW file on your system. Its typical location is often within your Documents folder under Intuit and QuickBooks. Once you've found it, simply right-click the file and choose Delete. This action sends it to your recycle bin. To permanently remove it, remember to empty your recycle bin afterward. For QuickBooks Online users, deleting a company means canceling your subscription. Your data typically remains accessible in read-only mode for 1 year after cancellation before permanent deletion. If you're not ready for permanent removal, consider making a company inactive within QuickBooks instead. Always be absolutely certain before deleting any financial records, and consult an accounting professional if you have any doubts or specific concerns about your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.